how to use SHEIN affiliate program to earn. So first of all, let's get into any sort of browser. In here, I'm going to go in my Google, and in your search bar, what you're going to search is SHEIN affiliate program. So after searching for it, tap on the first link right here. And after doing that, here you can get the option of sign up and sign in. So in here, if you haven't registered yet, you can tap on sign up and go along with the process of how you can do it. Or else if you have already registered, you can tap on sign in, add in your credentials and log in like that. So in here you can see we have multiple different things in here too. What we can do is, if you want to connect to any of these social media accounts, you can also do that. And in here you can get the option of share and earn. So if you simply tap on share just like this, you'll be able to share it to any of your friends, and like that you'll be able to earn in your SHEIN affiliate program. So like I said again, after creating your account, you can go along with the process of how you will be able to earn through this affiliate program, and that's it.